Good morning, everyone. This is Anne Marie. Today's February the 1st. We're taking a look at SPY. We did pull back a little bit again yesterday, but not much. And in the pre-market, we are up somewhat. Market's not going away quietly, that's for sure. We continue to drift downward in the SMI and the DPO, a couple things that we really do pay attention to around here. And the line in the sand is probably, you know what? Probably that number right there, I would say. Yes, and that happens to be support level 2, sitting under the pivot today. That's always a little bit negative, but if we are moving in this sort of sideways action, we normally do come up and test the prior day's pivot. So we'll pay attention to what that is. I don't have it marked on here because it's a little bit noisy, but on my regular charts I certainly do have them up for trading. Now, remember what I said at the beginning of the week, see how far away we are from the monthly VWAP. We don't really spend a lot of time that far away from a monthly VWAP. So we are meandering in order to either catch up with it or we're going to come right back into it. Okay, so what's the trade? Probably messy before 49.41. That's 149.41. Shorting action really will really start to pick up at the loss of this level because we don't have a ton in the way of getting us to down here, which is a pretty important level. All right, so on the upside, we are sitting in between the two moving averages, so the ability to catch up here and breach as quickly as possible is going to be important. That's above 50.24. 151.57 is still the butterfly target, and so it could stretch up in there. Listen, if this thing pulls and just comes right down into this region here and meanders around, it could have time to catch up with this and race off to the north once more. Shorting in front of these moves, unless you're doing it at the peaks where the highs come in on the day, shorting will leave you a little bit frustrated. I believe a lot of people are doing that. It's causing really interesting little squeezes that begin to happen during the course of the day, and that makes trading very difficult. I understand that we want to get in front of wherever it is that it's going because it seems like it's going to be a sizable move. But in the end, it's always better to allow the market to lead you by following its directions as opposed to you trying to lead the market, being smart or getting in front of the trade. All right, but that's just me, right? There are a lot of different ways to trade the market, and a lot of people have a lot of capital that they can wait through when they position themselves for a trade. I just like to do it the other way. All right? Good luck trading today. Be careful and see you soon.